So let me show you the demo of application that I'm going to show you today. So let me run my application here with Python main.py, and so I have my Postman here. So let me simply click on send here. So it'll do the call initiation, and here's my phone. So I'll wait for some time to get the call. So it'll give me a call. So you can already see I'm getting a call. So let me receive it and make it loudspeaker. Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm your real-time assistant. How can I help you today?
So what is the date today?
Today is Sunday, February 22, 2026.
Okay, so what is the capital city of Canada?
The capital city of Canada is Ottawa.
Perfect, thank you. So what are the other things you can help me with?
I can help with various things like setting reminders, answering questions, providing news, and more.
So let me show you how you can create a same type of AI telephony agent using a video SDK. So just go to your favorite browser and search for video SDK and just go into this first link from VideoSDK.live. So simply log in with your account. So here you just need to write your name and click on submit. So it'll create your account. So here you'll see telephony integration. So let me simply click on this and it'll open the documentation here and click on AI telephony agent quick start. So we'll follow this architecture. We'll be integrating the outbound call with the Twilio. So let's see what we can do. So first of all, we just have to start following this documentation. So it says create a main.py, requirements.txt, and .env. So let's do step by step. So I will be using a cursor IDE. So if you're comfortable with other IDE like VS Code, PyCharm, or whatever, so you can use any IDE which you're comfortable with, even anti-gravity. So I prefer using a AI agentic IDE. So let me type something like AI agent. So you can just give the name like AI telephony or whatever. So I will just do AI agent, and here let me just type main.py and again go to browser. So it says to create the requirements.txt. Again create the requirement.txt here and create .env file. So these are the main three files where we'll be working on, and go to this Chrome, and it says build and run the AI agent locally. So for that we need to set up the env variable. So go to cursor, paste it inside here and here. So just replace this video auth token and Google API key. So for video SDK auth token, so what we can do is go to Chrome, go to dashboard here, and here we have these API keys. So we'll click on agent here and click on API keys, click on add new API key, and here we'll just say AI telephony agent. Click on generate key, and here so click on token configuration. So for 7 days, click on copy and go to cursor and simply paste inside here. And similarly for Google AI API, so just type Google AI Studio on your browser and just go inside here, click on get started. So click on continue, and here you see this get API key. So simply click on that. So it'll take some time to open, so delete whatever it has. So probably I had created this before. I'll click on create API. So I'll just say AI telephony, and I'll choose the default Gemini project. So now this will create a API key. So simply copy this API key and paste it inside here. So let me see. Yeah. So just save this one and go to your browser again, and on the docs, so you see on requirement.txt, so simply copy this, and here as well, so you just need to paste it inside here. And here the one thing to see is check the latest version of this SDK. So for now, when I'm recording this video, it's 6.4. So just replace this here and replace this. So once this is done, let's go to main.py. So here on main.py, so simply copy this and paste it inside here on main.py. So here you see the format is not proper. So on any ID, so nowadays you can just say reformat the file, and so this will reformat with the indentation. So you just need to manage the indentation here. So this will quickly fix the indentation and apply the consistent formatting. So keep all. So you can see, so this has done the proper indentation. So once this is done, so let me again go to the Chrome here, and if you go down here, you see we need to create an environment, also project dependency. So we just need to install the dependencies. So before that, let me go into the terminal. Within the terminal, so what you can do is you need to make sure that you have Python installed onto your system. So let me clear my terminal. So to check which part of Python you have, just type like this. So if you have Python, it will show like that, or if you don't have it, so just type download Python and simply go into this download Python. So you can go with little older version, because on my macOS I was having some issue with the 3.14. So I would suggest you to go with the 3.13. So just go with that, and once you install, so you can check where Python 3, and you see, so I have 3.13 Python version. So you can delete if you have the latest one and install this one, or a little older one, so that you won't get any issue, because I was getting some issue while installing this. So let me close this one, and here go to terminal, and with the instruction again, with the documentation, so I'll create a virtual environment. So again, go here, create a virtual environment. So this will create .benv file, and go to Chrome again. So we need to activate. On macOS we use this, on Windows you use this one. So on macOS I'll just type this, and again install the requirement. So go to the cursor again, and here simply install the requirement. So it'll take some time to install if you're doing it for the first time. So once this is done, go to browser again, and here, so you see, so now you start your agent by running a Python script, python main.py. So let me see, go here and paste. I hope we didn't get any issue. If we get, we will fix it. So let's wait for it to complete. So if you get something like this, so it means so far so good. So we have set up successfully until this step. So the next step is to set up the Twilio. So for that, go to the new tab again and just type Twilio. So get started for free. So you'll get some free trial. So sign up with your Google account. Simply sign in and click on continue. So here you just need to put your phone number. Click on verify. So you can download the recovery code. Click on continue. And here you see, choose how you want to get started with. Continue with the trial. And here, so which describes you, I would say student, click on next. And here, so I would say developer, click on next. With code, next. And we want to use it for customer care, next. And we will use voice. Click on let's go, and click on start building. So here you see get phone number, click on that. So this will give us a Twilio phone number. So we just have to save this phone number, paste it inside your notes. So this will be useful later. So we have just saved it, and here, so click on next. And here on explore products, just click on that. So we will be using just this elastic SIP trunking. So click on that, and here click on get started. So this is the overall architecture how our call will be working. So click on create a SIP trunk. So here just give name something like AI Telephony. Click on create. So here, so we don't need to do anything on general. So click on save, and here go to numbers. So on numbers, click on add an existing number. So here we will just add this number which we have just copied here. So we'll just add that number and click add selected. So once you add that, go on to this origination. So on origination, we don't need to do anything. So we will simply go to this termination, and here, so we will just give some name, something like code with Arjun Telephony, and let's see if it is available. Yeah, it is available. So we will simply copy this again, paste it inside here because we will need this later. Dot, and let's see what is it, dot PSTN Twilio.com. So let me paste it inside here. So this is what we're going to need, and go on to Chrome again. So here we just need to create a credential. So not this one, the credential list. So click on here, and here the friendly name we can give something like code with Arjun. On credential, I would say admin, and on password, we can copy this one as well, but I will put the more friendlier one. So I will just do @ code with Arjun 123. So click on create, and here let me see the password. So this is my password, and username is admin. Again on nodes, the username is admin, and the password is this. So this will be my credential, username, and password. I'll save it, and that should be it. Let me click on save. You have been successfully updated the SIP trunk. So once this is done, now we have to go into this documentation again. So let me see. So give the name, termination, SIP URI, and credential from your SIP provider. So you can see all the videos here. So this is the basic setup that's showing here. So we just have to go into this as a VideoSDK dashboard. So here, so we just need to go into this agent first, and then telephony, and here first things first, we have to set up this outbound gateway. So for that, create a new outbound. Here you just need to give some name for now. So I will just give name something like AI Telephony, and in number, so since we have saved it here, so the number would be this one. So I will simply paste it inside here, and here on notes, on address, so we can again copy this one and paste it inside here. On authentication, so it's admin, and the password is code with Arjun at 123. So let's see, this is good. Okay, perfect. So let me create an outbound gateway. So click on save, and on routing rule, now we have to do something on routing rule as well. So click on, so this is the main brain of the telephony agent. So here let me type AI Telephony, select the direction. So we want to do outbound. So the AI will be making a call to our phone. So AI Telephony, so you can select the AI Telephony gateway, choose the phone number that we have just added. So this will be AI Telephony agent. On room, you can put the dynamic and room prefix participant number. On agent, so we'll just do self-hosted. But on agent ID, so enter the agent ID or of your self-hosted AI agent. So it means we have to go to the ID here, and here if you go at the bottom, you will see the agent ID name. So on my case, it will be my telephony agent. So if you have copied the same code, so it will be the same one for you as well. So just simply copy that and paste it inside here, and optional setting we can keep it as it is. So click on create routing rules gateway. That's it for this routing rule as well. And good thing about, although it's showing here $0, so but good part about this is they give $20 balance for free to test it out, so it's good for you. So I just completed the routing rule. So now we have to go to this Postman. So if you haven't installed Postman, just install that. So once you install Postman, so here again, if you go to docs, you will see so these are all again the routing rules which I have just did. So you can see the documentation here. So these are the videos which will help you to set up easily. Here you see we need to make a post request before getting called. So let me just simply copy this one, and we need to make a request post on Postman. So here click on post, enter the URL. So we don't need this AI agent for now. And here, so on header, so we need to put some of the things. Again, if you go here, you will see what we need to put on header. Authorization, and we need to put the VideoSDK token. So you see, so let me go to the Postman again and click on authorization and content type. So the content type would be application/JSON. The authorization would be the VideoSDK API key. So if you go to cursor and go to this .env, so you'll be able to see this value. So simply paste here, and here on body, so you can put raw and JSON. If you get some issue with the value here, so go to authorization, and on authorization you can choose the API key. So you'll be able to find this API key and put the API key instead of this value, and you can remove this, so that will still work. It's the same thing. So here, so we just need to put two values. One would be the gateway ID, the other one would be a SIP call to. So here just put these two, and here on gateway ID, so we have already created a gateway. So we have a gateway ID inside the outbound gateway. So you see, so this is our gateway ID. Simply copy that and go inside Postman, paste it inside here, and here on SIP call to, so this would be a number which you have used to set up your Twilio, because in the free trial account, like we have got this free trial account, so this will only allow you to call in the number which you have verified with this account, like whichever number you have used at first to create this account, so you will be using a same number to call, otherwise it won't work. So let me use the same number to call. So let me write, and also don't forget to write your country code. In my case, in Canada, so it's +1. So I have added +1, but just write your country code and then only it will work. So, and also write your number which you have used to verify. So before running this, also make sure to restart your application from here. So just type Control and C. So this will close everything, and again run the application, Python main.py. And now if you go onto Postman again and click on send, so you see the call initiated successfully. Now you should be getting a call onto your phone. So now you should be receiving a call. So this is my phone. Let me see if I'm getting called. So you can see I'm getting a call here. So I'll just receive it and I'll make a loudspeaker. Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm your real-time assistant. How can I help you today?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
So what is VideoSDK? Can you explain me?
A VideoSDK is a software development kit that provides tools and resources to integrate video features into your applications.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
That's it. I'm happy. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Great. Feel free to reach out if you have more questions. Have a good day.
Okay, bye. See, this is how it works. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.